Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you how you can actually request a desktop side version on your iPhone on both your Safari if you like using Safari, or if you want to also do it on your Google Chrome browser on your iPhone, I will show you that as well. So you want to make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit that subscribe button. And without any further delay, let us get started with this tutorial. How to request desktop site on iPhone on maybe your Safari or your Google Chrome if you like the Google Chrome better, even if you're on iOS. I will show you on both of these browsers, so make sure to stick with us till the end. Now, why would you actually want to enable and request a desktop site is because sometimes many websites and applications just have more functionality on a desktop version of the website rather than the mobile version of it. For example, let's say Facebook, YouTube, they all have different interfaces for mobile and desktop. And the desktop version just has much more options and much more enhancements which you might actually want to use from your iPhone's browser as well. Now, in the context of Safari, let's get started. I will simply open my Safari browser, and let's say in the search box I will simply type in, for example, let me just go to facebook.com. As you go to facebook.com, you could basically see this is the mobile version of Facebook which Facebook has actually loaded to me. If I want to request a desktop version of Facebook, what I will have to do is right here on the bottom left hand side, you can see this double A icon, which is the capital and the small letter as well. So you could actually simply tap on this double A icon right over here, and right under the website settings you have the option which says request desktop site. In this computer or this PC icon, you'll also be able to see them right next to this word. So you have to basically simply tap on request desktop website right over here, and as you can see, we will actually be successfully switched to the desktop version of Facebook on our Safari browser. If you want to turn it off, you could go ahead and simply tap on the A icon again and request a mobile website. Now you could go ahead and do this for any other website such as maybe Netflix, maybe Wikipedia, maybe Reddit, maybe Snapchat, maybe Instagram, and so on. Now, this was only in the context of Safari. Now let's go ahead and request a desktop site from Google Chrome on your iPhone. So I'm going to simply open Google Chrome, for example, and you can see this is how it is actually going to look like. Now let me just go ahead and go to, let's say, youtube.com, for example. You can see it will load the mobile version of YouTube on my Google Chrome browser on my iPhone. And this is basically a mobile version of YouTube. If you want to switch to and request a desktop site and switch to the desktop version of YouTube, what you have to do is basically from the bottom right hand side of the screen, you can see this three horizontal dot icon. You have to tap on this three horizontal dot icon right over here, which you see. In this array of options, you want to actually scroll down. You will not be able to see the option right away. You have to scroll down, and right over here in this PC icon, again, you have the option which says request desktop site. And this is exactly where we want to go if you're using on Chrome. In case of Safari, it was at the bottom left, and in case of Google Chrome, it is at the bottom right. You have to tap on request desktop website. And as you can see, successfully, we will be taken to the desktop version of YouTube on our mobile as well, which basically has more functionality than the mobile version of YouTube on our browser. And this is how you can request desktop site on your iPhone on both your Safari and Google Chrome. We hope this video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply make sure to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.